Welcome to 9th class students biology. The first aspect we have already learned during online presentation. The second aspect I told you B, economic importance of fungi. Okay. The first point is fungi have no chlorophyll. They are eukaryotes. Well developed nucleus are there. That is why they are given the blue background according to, this is what you have studied recently, five kingdom classification. So according to recent five kingdom classification, the fungi are not plants. The reason being that they have no chlorophyll and mode of nutrition is heterotrophic. Okay. Then fungi, general study. The example is moles and the mushroom. So moles, the best example is this one. Which one? Rhizobus, which is growing on the bread. It's a common fungi. It grows on the coconut also. Rhizobus. Okay, it's a bread mold. I will use this word molds. Okay, common. Then the second one is yeast. That is the best example. Then you can write yeast, the much details, occurrence, structure they gave. But what you have taken in the bacteria, you write in the same steps. Okay, what you will write? Like bacteria, fungi are eukaryotes. Okay, then they are unicellular as well as unicellular is now yeast and the multicellular rhizobus. Then mode of nutrition can be saprophytes or heterotrophic. That is what it says. Then reproduction can be asexual reproduction and it forms a special sporangium. Sporangium produces spore and that way it causes reproduction. After learning the yeast with this background, let us move to the next page. Here is also the point is given, mode of nutrition. Then respiration also you have studied recently. C6H12O6 gives rise 2 molecules of ethanol, 2 carbon dioxide and 2 ATP. Everything is 2, 2, 2. You count both sides LHS and HSS. All the atoms are balanced. Now you come to the core of the subject. Economic importance. That is what? Useful fungi. And the best example is penicillin. And opposite, I will move, you will write antibiotics. And see the picture, even on the orange, penicillium is growing very well. So penicillin, the criteria for good antibiotics, penicillin. Then other antibiotics can be used for treating animal feed and used as a preservative. But definitely antibiotics are used to kill or arrest the growth of pathogen. And this is the picture, you will find it. Okay. Then the first one you give, role of industry. Fungi are useful fungi in industry. The first one is wine. Wine is an alcoholic beverage because tea is non-alcoholic beverage, but this is alcohol because the percentage of ethanol. Okay, and that is why once again the same thing is repeated. What you have to learn is grapes are crusted and fermented. With the help of yeast, ethanol is produced. So 2% Alcohol is there in the wine. 4% is there in the beer. Okay. That is what characteristics of wine. No problem. This is enough. You go, the next one is baking, bread making. So in the bread making, it is used. Okay. Third one is cheese. In the cheese making, milk is converted into cheese, or milk is converted into curd, and the curd is then processed. Because in the curd you will produce first V, then V is a floating or foam butter that can be frozen, and it can be added salt, or even they are adding fungi for flavor. That is Dutch people's culture. There is a big cheese festival in Amsterdam where you will find oldest cheese will be awarded. Like that, you have cheese festival in Amsterdam and beer festival in Munich. In Munich, in Germany, they have. This is all part of European culture. No problem. Just keep the point. You write it, cheese is a frozen butter with the help of fungi. It can be salted and it can be ripe or ripening. The next one is mushroom cultivation. In this mushroom cultivation, you have what white button mushroom, Agaricus biporus. I'll move to the next page. Then paddy straw mushroom, then oyster mushroom. Three type of mushroom used for the cultivation. So in the cultivation, 5 steps are there. Number 1, composting, spawning, casing, harvesting and packaging. So I will say composting is preparation of compost. Okay, compost. You write just composting is preparation of bed, bed, bed. Then spawning. Spawning means broadcasting spores or seeding, seeding. Then casing. Casing means adding soil to the compost. Number 3. And number 4, cropping or harvesting. So here, according to the size, you can choose. That is why it is indicated within 2 to 6 weeks you can harvest. Okay, it is about 6 weeks, 1.5 months crop. Okay, then packaging. Packaging is done with the preservation and it will be supplied in the market. So the nutritive value of mushroom is, you have to write, mushroom is considered as diabetic delicious because it has all the nutrients. So it is a ideal food for diabetic patient. They can eat and they can get very good energy, and it is a healthy food, and that is why it is treated as. So the point you have to remember is fungi, rhizopus, not rhizobium, rhizopus is a common